Hello, my good people. Welcome to ICO Reviews, and today I'm reviewing Lancer Network. You see, Lancer Network is a decentralized freelance site for the advertising and promotion of crowd-sale and blockchain projects. Our members are comprised of those that want to earn cryptocurrency and the business that have the budget to pay for SMM and marketing services. So, you planning to have a blockchain project, you come to the website, you explain what it's going to be, and people get interested in it. You need someone to work with you to write your white paper. You need the team member. You need someone to handle your admin, the Telegram admin, and all the rest you need. You need some advisors for your ICOs. All these will be together in this platform. And now the good news is that the hard cap can be reached, not just the soft cap, but the hard cap for this ICO can be reached. And you can check different reviews websites, what they are saying about this ICO bench, link for Fondico, track ICO holder. Just can check on it. So you see, organic advertising SMM from real user, earning in the industries of blockchain without any interest, and all the rest. These are the advantage. Multi-currency accepted, one task, many action, minimal fees with tokens, hire only good rated workers. So for your ICO, for your blockchain project, you get good workers, good people who will be able to work together on your team. It's easy and fast and simple earning. This is like how the dashboard is going to look like the profile the person has created. This is the distribution of the ICO. 50% for marketing, 30% for product development, 10% for operating and administrating, 8% for reserve, 2% for exchange listing. So token distribution, you can see it here. So the ICO, 59% for the ICO, 15% for team, 14% for pre-ICO, 8% for marketing, 4% for bounty. You can see the roadmap here. So I encourage you to go through the website yourself and see the team member: Alex Kozervnikov, CEO; Leonid Shekman, CTO; Elena Matyanova, head of marketing; Adano Planovi, Alexei Veliknavov, and all the rest. And you can see they are putting on the uniform. Most of all these guys are Russians. Yeah, they are Russians. Yeah, Anakin from Russia. Liu, possibly from China. This Christina David, I believe she should be from Nigeria, because I'm seeing NYSC here, and with my research in Nigeria, this is the uniform for those who serve after your university, National Youth Service Corps. So I'm 99.9% that she's from Nigeria. So majorly from Russia, from China, and from Nigeria. Advertisers: Shenxi Yuan, advisors, Lucas Kojevza, Chris Butler, Asitalavia. You can find different questions you may want to have here. The minimum investment, how much does the token cost, on what exchange your token will be listed. Let's check that out. First, we plan to be listed on IDEX and HBTC. So IDEX is decentralized exchange where you'll be able to exchange coins for Ethereum. We also plan to place on the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, including Binance and KuCoin. So, yeah. Other questions here? So token is still live. It's still live. So use the white paper. So I encourage you to go through the white paper and see different informations here on the white paper. 26 page. But the Telegram, they have 83,019 members on their Telegram, and on their Twitter they have 11.5k followers on their Twitter. So they have much visitor coming from India. Most of the visitors on this website are coming from India, and this is the Whois Lancer Network, and they are based in Moscow. They are based in Moscow. Registered on 18, expired 2019. So that is my reviews about Lancer Network. We've seen what it's all about, and I'm going to leave the link down below for you to sign up for the ICO. But please don't forget, anything I say in this video is strictly my personal opinion. I don't work for Lancer Network. I'm doing the review. I'm a reviewer, so it's strictly my personal opinion. Make your own decision and do your own due diligence. So click the link down below and sign up for the ICO. And please, before you go, subscribe for my channel, hit the like button and hit the notification bell. Once you hit the bell, when I bring new videos, you will be among the first to watch my reviews. Thank you very much. Until next time I come your way, this is ICO Reviews.